Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Lassaigne test, sodium fusion test, for nitrogen works by fusing the organic compound with sodium metal, converting nitrogen into sodium cyanide, narration. The narration is then detected by forming Prussian blue, ferric ferrocyanide, upon reaction with FeSO4 and FeCl3. For this test to work, the compound must contain carbon and nitrogen together so that CN ion can be formed during fusion. If a compound contains nitrogen but no carbon, no cyanide ion is formed and the test fails. Reasoning. Urea NH2, CHO, contains both carbon and nitrogen, forms narration on fusion, gives positive Lassaigne test. Hydrazine N2H4 contains nitrogen but no carbon, cannot form narration during sodium fusion, does not give a positive Lassaigne test for nitrogen. Azobenzene C6H5 N is equal to N. C6H5 contains both carbon and nitrogen, forms narration on fusion, gives positive Lassaigne test. Phenylhydrazine C6H5NH NH2 contains both carbon and nitrogen, forms narration on fusion, gives positive Lassaigne test. Why other options fail? Urea, azobenzene, and phenylhydrazine all contain carbon along with nitrogen, enabling formation of CN during sodium fusion, thus giving a positive result. Hydrazine, N2H4, is an inorganic simple compound with no carbon, so no cyanide is formed and the test is negative. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.